That's 13 years old me every time I tried to make friends. I suck, I know. If anything, I am the worst at it. Sure, people aren't that evil in the real world, but it's still hard for me to make friends. I tried searching on Google, and it gave me some useful tips that aren't very useful to 13 years old me. My search history went from this to this. Does it work? Well, not really. Whenever I met someone new online, I usually starts the conversation with something casual like, "Hey, how are you? How's your day going?" Blah, 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 and some other casual stuff like that. But the conversation doesn't continue long enough because after those small chit chat, we simply have nothing to talk about. So the best way to make a friend is to find someone who have the same interest and level of humor like yours. Having this type of people who have a lot in common with you will make the conversation flow easily. You don't need to force yourself to be someone you don't want to be. You can just simply be yourself. You can talk about anything: games, movies, books, and other stuff that matches you guys' personality, likes, interest, and humor. I used to talk to someone who doesn't have a level of humor as advanced as me, so whenever I made a joke, they just awkwardly laugh and left. So it's very important to be friend with someone who genuinely understand and laugh at your jokes so that you can do the same when they make a joke about something. You need to be genuine. You need to be yourself. You can't force yourself to be liked by people. The first rule on having a good friend is to never pretend to be someone. That is not you. A good friend is someone who will be with you no matter what. Someone who doesn't judge you. Someone who understands your joke. Someone who will comfortably laugh at you before helping you get up when you fell down. Now, you can also try to interact with more people by going to events like party, church, a book club if you're interested in books, or maybe just use social media to meet new people. Just don't try funeral. I don't think they'll tolerate your jokes in there. But if you're shy, I don't think that'll work out for you. You'll probably end up sitting at some random sofa in the living room and texting with your calculator or weather app while everyone is dancing and playing games. So the other step that you can do is wait for an extrovert to adopt you, make you their best friend for life, and be happy forever. No? All right, I guess you can also try using social media to improve your social skill first before talking to an actual human being face to face. Use something like Discord or any other worldwide texting app you can use to talk to new people. And after your conversation skills is better, you can start talking to people you meet at the party, or maybe something lighter like the park, cafe, or restaurant, with a goal of simply improving your social skill. My mama always tell me to be friend with everyone, but only make some people your best friend. And she's absolutely true. A friend is someone you just talk to whenever you meet them. When you know someone enough, like their favorite color, food, games, movies, books, and other basic stuff. But a best friend is someone who can have an actual impact in your life. A best friend is someone who will look at you with the most evil side eye whenever someone said the most weird thing, knowing you would understand their signals. And the last tips I could give you is just to not care. People judge, that's what people do these days. And most people don't want to or struggle to make friends because they're afraid. Afraid of rejection, afraid of others' opinion about them, and afraid of many other small things. But these small things can make a pretty big problem. Insecurity, self-doubt, overthinking, you'll start feeling these things just because you're afraid of someone's opinion. Someone who most probably don't know you at all. I know, it's definitely easier said than done to just not care. But that's why I'm here, to encourage you guys to just do it. Life is meant to be lived, not survived. If not now, then when? Death is something uncertain, but unstoppable. You don't know when you'll stop living. One random day, you can just walk peacefully at the park and suddenly get a heart attack and sent to heaven. So while you're living right now, just do it. Talk to people. practice your social skill, and meet people who have the same interest as you. People judges, that's fine. Most people judge because they know they're no better than you, but they want to make them feel like they're better than you, so they try to find your insecurity and your weak spot to simply make you feel weak and make themselves feel strong. So, whenever someone judges you, let them be, act like you don't care. They'll end up frustrated with themselves and furious for not getting what they want. If this VD helped you, consider leaving a like to boost this video into people's homepage and subscribe for more content like this in your feed. Instead of weird and unuseful content like staring at a wall for 10 hours straight or watching paint dry. Okay, actually, I like this one.